Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare yam cutlet. Ingredients for yam cutlet: half kg, that is 500 gram yam, 50 grams of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, cloves, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, little curry leaves, little coriander leaves, 1 lemon, small piece of chopped ginger, 1 chilli chopped. The cumin seed, pepper, cloves and fennel seed you have to grind as a powder. Salt to taste and oil to shallow fry. We have to peel the skin like this for full yam. See, we cut the yam, peel the skin and we cut into pieces. We are going to clean further. We have washed thoroughly, so we are going to clean again this one. So remove some dark spots. See, you have to remove that one also. So we are removing that one. So then we will wash again. We have removed the skin completely and washed thoroughly. So we are going to cook in the boiling water. Keep the pan, switch off the flame, then add water. We are going to add pinch of turmeric powder, time being you add little salt. So while cooking the yam you have to add initially little salt so that it will catch in yam, it will go inside. In the meantime we are going to grind this one: pepper and cumin seed, fennel seed and cloves. This quantity is enough. Whatever quantity I have shown to you, this is enough for that. The grinded fennel seed, cumin seed, pepper and cloves. Now the water is boiling. We are going to add the yam pieces. We added all the yam. So we are going to lid this one. Keep the flame in medium so that it will get cooked. Yeah, we are going to open the lid. Now it is more than 15 minutes. See, it's well cooked. See, it has sucked all the water. It's well cooked now. Going to switch off the flame. So you should cook the yam pieces like this. Transfer that to mashing bowl. You have to mash this. So you can mash using the masher like this. You have to mash the yam pieces when it is hot. If it becomes cold, it will be a little bit harder to mash. That's why when it is hot, you have to mash. We have mashed the yam completely. See, now it is well mashed. So we are going to add the ingredients one by one. That is green chilli and ginger, curry leaves, coriander leaves. So everything is cooked now. Then grinded powder, that is cumin seed, black pepper, fennel seed and cloves. Lemon. Squeeze the lemon. We are mixing. It's too hot now. So check the salt and add as you require. The mixture is still hot, so let it cool. Keep the tawa in flame. We are going to roll these one as balls. Then coat with rice flour like this. Then we have to make as flat round shape. We have to make all the things in the same manner. All the mashed yam in the same manner. See, we made all the thing into flat round shape. You can do in any shape, which one you prefer. We done in more or less flat round shape. We have done like this. We are going to fry this one in tawa. Grease the tawa, then you can fry the cutlet. See, we placed all the cutlets to cook into fry in tawa. So apply oil like this. Instead of deep fry, we are doing shallow fry. Actually, this is best. We are frying one side now, then we will turn to other side. So you have to turn one by one like this. It's very tasty. Turn everything to the other side. See, nice golden brown color. So we have to cook all the cutlet like this. From the beginning to end, you have to keep the flame in sim. It should be fried in sim. I'm going to turn again. Nicely cooked, yummy. So we're going to remove this one. This is enough. So transfer like this one by one. So we have to fry in this manner all the cutlets. See, in the same manner we have fried all the cutlet. Now the cutlet is ready to serve. Yam cutlet from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.